Home Assistant is the most powerful smart home platform in the world, but most people have no idea where to start. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know as a complete beginner. Let's go. So what exactly is Home Assistant? It's a free open-source smart home platform that runs locally on your own hardware, a Raspberry Pi, an old mini PC, or a dedicated device called Home Assistant Green. Unlike Google Home or Amazon Alexa, it doesn't rely on the cloud. Your data stays at home, always. Here's what you need to get started. A device to run it on, a Raspberry Pi 4, a used mini PC, or the official Home Assistant Green, a micro SD card or USB drive to install it on, and a phone or computer to access the interface. That's your hardware sorted. Step 1. Install Home Assistant. Go to homeassistant.io and download the OS image for your device. Flash it to your SD card using Balena Etcher. It's free. Plug everything in, connect to your network, wait about 5 minutes, then open a browser and go to homeassistant.local:8123. The setup wizard will appear. Step 2. First time setup. The wizard walks you through creating your admin account, setting your location for weather and sunrise automations, and detecting smart home devices already on your network. Home Assistant is surprisingly good at finding things automatically on your first run. Step 3. Add your devices. Go to Settings, then Devices and Services, then click Add Integration. Search for your brand. Philips Hue, IKEA, Sonos, Ring, Nest, and over 3,000 more are all supported. Most connect directly on your local network. No cloud required. Step 4. Create your first automation. Go to Settings, then Automations, and click New Automation. Every automation has 3 parts: a trigger, like a time, a sensor reading, or a device state, a condition, optional extra rules, and an action, what happens next. Start simple. Turn on lights at sunset. You'll be hooked immediately. A few beginner tips. The Home Assistant Green device is the easiest way to run it. Plug in and go. Install Hacks, the community store, to unlock thousands of extra integrations and custom dashboard cards. Use the official mobile app to control everything from your phone, and join the Home Assistant Community Forum. It's one of the best tech communities online. That's your complete beginner's guide to Home Assistant. Yes, there's a learning curve, but the payoff is a smart home that's truly yours. No cloud, no subscriptions, no limits. If you want to compare it with Google Home, I've got a full video on that. Link in the description. Subscribe for smart home and automation content every day.